How to convert binary number to decimal number. So, ito yung ating example. So, for example, 1101. So, binary number to decimal number. So, pag binary number, may indication na may 2 dyan. Pwede ding hindi yan visible. Tapos dito decimal. Bakit naging 10? Ito yung from 0 to 9. So, pwede rin wala yan. So, gagawin po natin yung kanyang equivalent. So, lagay muna tayo dito ng guide. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. Okay, that is addition by itself. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, and so on. Tapos, bibigyan natin ng value. So, yung first digit, left to right. So, 1, eto, 1 to. Tapos, yung second digit na 0, ang equivalent niya ay 2. So, 2. Third digit ay 1. So, ang value niya ay 4. Yung fourth digit ay 1. So, ang value niya ay 8. So, again, etong binary number na to ay 4 digit. So, kailangan lang natin yung unang 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, sabi, pag may 0, i-cross out. So, pag may 0, cross out. Okay? And then, bibilangin natin yung value ng mga may 1. So, first, 8. So, ito yung 8. Tapos, 4 plus 1. So, that is 8 plus 4 plus 1. So, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. So, therefore, ang value ng 4-digit binary number na 1101 ay 13. So, yan yung sagot mo, 13. So, ito yung computation.